when you lost your teeth over there?
Yeah. You were putting me upside down, and then
I don't think it hit you. I don't know how it came out.
maybe it was just like hanging there, and then it was upside down. So then, like the
Gravity.
yeah, the thing just snapped because of gravity, and that's probably how it happened.
See if you can make them do figure eight. How? Okay, get him going fast and then have him turn around. Can you do that, or I'll make him more fast?
Yeah.
No. I mean, like, you know how like you have to twist, like
Yeah,
turn right in the way.
like that.
Yeah. Can you do that when he's going fast? Okay. Got it. I see. Hey, Mitt. Is there any way you can do wristband for him?
No. Wait, I'm gonna have Mip go over there and say, "Hey, Mip," again.
Hey, Mitt. Alright,
I'm gonna have Mip catch up to us. So yeah, that's what Mip does. Oh my gosh, it's my dog, Snoop Dogg. So yeah, that's pretty much what Mip does on the drive mode, the Mip app, and you can download the app on an iOS device or an Android device. And yeah, I think I'm doing a pretty good job maneuvering it. Okay. Wow!
I only made reservations because you need to do it.
Car up there. Hope Mip doesn't get run over. And Mip would be like, Nippy. Mip is gonna get